Good morning, friends. This is Professor Abhishek Jadhav. Now, today we learn the second topic of DOIs, that is two parameters. In previous lecture, we learned one parameter. Now, this is two parameter problems. Now, first question: show that integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus xy dx is equal to 1 by y, where y greater than 0, and hence deduce that integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax minus e raised to minus bx upon x dx equal to log b by a, where a and b both are greater than 0. Now, how to identify the problem of two parameter? Here there are two parameters a and b. That's why it is the problem of two parameter. Now, first solution. First consider integration 0 to infinity e raised to xy dx. Now, with respect to x, what is the integration of e raised to minus xy? So it is e raised to minus xy upon coefficient of x, which is minus y, limits 0 to infinity. Now minus y is constant, take outside, so minus 1 upon y, upper limit infinity in x, so it is e raised to minus infinity minus lower limit is 0, so e raised to 0. What is e raised to minus infinity? Is 0, get cancelled. E raised to 0 is 1, so minus and minus becomes plus, so it is 1 by y. That is nothing but first part, right? Now second part. Now for second part, let consider I of a is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax minus e raised to minus bx upon x dx. Now using step of DOIs, first differentiate with respect to a. So di by dA is equal to integration 0 to infinity 1 upon x constant. Now integration of derivative of e raised to minus ax with respect to a is e raised to minus ax into coefficient of a, that is minus x. E raised to minus bx derivative is 0 because it is constant term with respect to a, bracket complete, into dx. So x and x get cancelled, minus sign take outside. Therefore what is di by dA is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax dx. Now perform integration, so minus e raised to minus ax upon coefficient of x is minus a, limits 0 to infinity, minus minus plus, 1 upon a take outside, upper limit e raised to minus infinity minus lower limit e raised to 0. This is cancelled, e raised to 0 is 1, so answer is, therefore di by dA is equal to minus 1 upon a, right? Therefore what is di is nothing but minus dA upon a. So therefore integration on both sides, so this is derivative integration get cancelled. I of a is equal to 1 upon a का derivative minus log a plus c, right? Now what is I of a? This is nothing but I of a. Now put the value, therefore integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax minus e raised to minus bx upon x dx equal to minus log a plus c. Now to find c, put this term is become 0, so to become 0, put a equal to b. So here put a equal to b. So if we put a equal to b here, so we'll get e raised to minus bx minus e raised to minus bx, or b equal to a, e raised to minus x, e raised to minus a get cancelled. So this is 0 is equal to minus log a plus c, minus log b plus c, put a equal to b. So therefore what is c? C is nothing but log b, put this value. Therefore integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax minus e raised to minus bx upon x dx is equal to minus log a plus log b, log a minus log b, so it is log b upon a. This is nothing but your final answer.